In this episode, we're going to learn how to count to 10. We count things every day. What are some things you've counted? When we count, we are trying to figure out how many things are in a group. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! We counted 10 pieces of candy together. Now, the number 0 is a special number. It means that we don't have anything to count. Now, when we count objects in a group, we say the number as we point to them. So let's count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last number we said was 4, so we have 4 stars. Let's try another one. Let's count these smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last number we counted was 6, so we have 6 smiley faces. We can also just count on from a number. Let's take these pencils. So far, we have 5 pencils. Here are some more pencils. Let's count on to see how many we have total. 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pencils. Now that we've learned how to count to 10, let's see if you can count these objects. I wonder how many stars we have. What do you think? You're right. We have 5 stars. I wonder how many pencils we have. What do you think? You're right. We have 8 pencils. I hope you liked this lesson on counting to 10. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. And don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.